Day 14 of the Dear Daughter devotion. Today's devotion title is Three Descriptions. If you want to read more Bible verses that go with this devotion, you can read James chapter 4, verses 7 to 12. The Bible verse that goes with today's devotion is James chapter 4, verse 7. It says, "Resist the devil, and he will flee from you." I know this is not a pretty topic. Nobody likes to speak of the devil. In fact, some people go as far as to pretend that he doesn't even exist. But that is simply not true. Everywhere in the Bible, and in our lives too, we have evidence that a fierce enemy of our souls is on a rampage. Know your enemy, a familiar advice among those who wage earthly warfare. It is also good advice for spiritual soldiers like you and me. If we understand what tactics the devil is liable to use, we are better able to resist him, the way James exhorts us to do. Let's look at three descriptions of the devil given in the Bible. He is portrayed as a deceiver. Indeed so. That was his first trick in the Garden of Eden, deceiving Eve into thinking that God's way might be wrong. The devil is also called the accuser. Revelations 12:10. You and I know what that is like. He tries to accuse us with past sins, even though they have been atoned for by the blood of Christ. It is with Christ's blood that we must resist those accusations. In 1 Peter 5:8, the devil is pictured as a roaring, devouring lion. With our whole hearts, we must resist the destroyer of all that is right and beautiful and holy. Deceiver, accuser, destroyer. Our adversary is real. Be sober, be vigilant, because your adversary, the devil, as a roaring lion, walketh about, seeking whom he may devour. 1 Peter 5:8. And that's day 14 of the Dear Daughter devotion. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.